What an annoyance. You come out of your house in the morning, it didn't snow, it didn't rain, you come out and you've got frost all over your windshield, and there's no way that you're going anywhere for probably 10 minutes while the engine warms up. So the question is how can you keep frost from adhering to your windshield? Products like Rain-X, which can prevent the water from adhering to the windshield, making it bead up, can improve things slightly, but there is a somewhat rather low-tech solution that you can use that will work pretty good, which is never to let the frost near the windshield in the first place. What we're actually going to do is we're going to come up with a method here by which we can actually put a piece of plastic on the windshield in order to keep the frost away. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to operate the wipers, and we're going to get them to stop halfway up. I'll turn the ignition on, turn on the wipers, and then try to get it just the right time to shut them off so that the wipers stop somewhat halfway up. Then I can take and move the wipers up out of the way, and in this case this car is small enough just to use a regular plastic trash can bag, and actually just lay that out over top of the windshield and lay the wipers back down to hold the plastic bag in place, and that'll prevent the frost from getting at the windshield. And when you come out in the morning, all you have to do is pull the wipers up, pull the plastic out, and you're ready to go.